right? The limited partners don't have any management responsibilities, like buying shares in Apple Computer. You don't run Apple Computer, make any of the decisions. You're just a shareholder, like buying stock. The GP is responsible for managing the property manager and the overall project. They're in charge of everything. So, what is a GP? We talk about the LP, we talk about the GP. The LP is a limited partner. That's all the people who put in all the money, right? And then we talk about the GP. The GP could be a person or it could be a team that does all the active stuff, right? The limited partners don't have any management responsibilities, like buying shares in Apple Computer. You don't run Apple Computer, make any of the decisions. You're just a shareholder, like buying stock. The GP is responsible for managing the property manager and the overall project. They're in charge of everything. The LP receives income. They just get a quarterly check, their share of the passive income. The active investor receives also some of the passive income, and they get the active income, all those fees, right? Remember the active GP gets paid 5 ways. The passive investor gets a quarterly report. Here's what's going on with the project. The GP provides the quarterly report. The LP is always looking for the next sponsor with a deal to invest in. The GP is always looking for the next property to sponsor, to be the GP. And of course, the GP makes the really big bucks, as you're seeing as we go through this. So that's the difference. I think it's pretty clear right now, the difference in a GP and an LP. An LP puts money in the deal, they get some cash flow, they get a share of the profit. Typically, you put 50,000 in, you get 100,000 back or more, right? Those last 2 deals, they were both 2.5 times your money back, not just 2 times your money back. But the sponsor, the LGP, they get paid multiple ways: acquisition fee, some of the cash flow, a share of the profit, we call the override, the asset management fee. You add all of that, and the general partner, even on a small-ish deal, is making $1 million or more. So we're going to talk about how to be the general partner, right? Because that's the guy who's making the $1 million or more.
Come meet us live and become a real estate investor with us. Make money, grow, and help the community as well. So this is what I love to do every day as a real estate investor. I love to connect with you throughout our social media, and I love to make money with you as well.